Social media isn't just for branding or lead generation anymore. It's now one of the most powerful tools agency leaders can use for recruiting. If you want to attract the next generation of advisors, people who are tech savvy, purpose driven, and looking for more than just a job, you need to meet them where they are. And that place is social media. The biggest mistake I see leaders make is treating social media like a job board. They post generic ads or hiring announcements and hope someone reaches out. But modern recruiting on social media is about pull, not push. It's about creating content that speaks directly to the ambitions, struggles, and goals of your ideal recruit, and positioning yourself as the kind of leader worth joining. So, how do you do that? First, you need to create content that shows what your agency stands for. Share behind the scenes moments from team events, onboarding days, or recognition ceremonies. Talk about what your team values, whether it's growth, flexibility, personal development, or purpose. You're not just selling a job, you're offering a community, a mission, and a career path. Next, use stories. Stories are magnetic. Talk about an advisor who made the switch from corporate life and found purpose in helping others. Share your own journey. What led you into this business and why you're passionate about helping others succeed in it. People don't just join companies, they follow leaders they believe in. Third, use short-form videos to your advantage. Whether it's on Instagram Reels, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts, these platforms reward content that is authentic, helpful, and emotionally engaging. You don't need fancy production. Just pick up your phone, speak with purpose, and add value. A 60-second message about why now is a great time to explore a career in financial services can go a long way. And finally, don't forget the power of direct engagement. When someone likes, comments, or shares your post, that's a warm signal. Reach out, start a conversation, ask what they're currently working on and whether they've ever considered a career in your space. When your content creates curiosity, your conversations become easier, and far more meaningful. The best part about using social media for recruiting is that it works in the background. Even when you're not actively reaching out, your posts, videos, and stories are planting seeds. They're shaping perceptions, and they're attracting the kind of people who resonate with your message. Modern agency recruiting isn't about being louder. It's about being more intentional and using the platforms people already live on to share a message worth hearing. So, if you're ready to stop chasing and start attracting, social media is no longer optional. It's essential. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this video to let me know you found it helpful. Subscribe so you don't miss out on future insights. Share this with your colleagues who can benefit from it.